Very good evening, everyone. From the side of Ecovision Academy, I am going to teach you how to make daily calories tracker in Excel today. It is a very interesting concept and as well as it is a very useful concept. So let me show you how it works. Suppose you have a daily calories tracker in Excel and you have the different days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and all. And whatever food you are going to eat on those particular days you can actually pick, like suppose on Monday I have eaten rice, and automatically the calories will be shown on the right side. For Monday I have also eaten dal, automatically the calories will be shown on the column of the calories which is on the right side. And as per that, the adjustment will be made on the total calories as well. So this is a very dynamic concept. You have to just select the food items. You have to just select the food item. The calories will automatically be filled and the total calories will also be automatically put in a proper way. How to make this dynamic total daily calories tracker in Excel? I will show you step by step. So basically, you have to put this box of daily calories tracker in Excel in the above part. How to make that box? To make that box, you basically do one thing. You will just take this type of cells, couple of columns and couple of rows, and you will basically use the merge and center option. And in the merge and center option, you have to just write daily calories tracker in Excel. Okay, I have made a spelling mistake here. Daily calories tracker in Excel. After writing this daily calories tracker in Excel, you have to change the font. Although this is upon you that you want to change the font or not. I am keeping the font as Times New Roman, making it bold, and the color that I want on the font is deep blue, and it should be in the font size of 22 or 24, whatever you want. And I am making it a proper alignment. And after that, you can just fill it with a color that you want as per your preferential, and you will be able to make this type of boxes. After this, I have to make several columns. One column for the days, one column for the food items, and one column for the calories that will be extracted from the food items, that what food I am eating, as per that the calories will be extracted, and one column for total calories. After making this, I will just readjust all these things. It is very easy to do this, so I am not going to show you all this in very much detail. You just increase the font size a little bit and change the colors according to that, and change the change the cell colors and the font color according to that. Suppose the days, for the days I want it to be bold, and the color that I want on that particular cell is suppose this, and the alignment that I want is this. For food items, the color that I want in the cell is suppose green, and the color for the font I want is suppose blue, and it should be in bold, and the alignment should be this. For calories as well, I want to select the cell color as this, or suppose a little bit something different like purple, and the font color that I want is suppose this, and it should be in bold, and the alignment should be this. In this way you can actually edit and make your column headings. All these four are basically nothing but our column headings, which I have already created here. After that, you have to just drag down it a little bit so that it looks a little bit it is a little bit attractive, little more attractive. It becomes little more attractive. Okay, and after that you can again change the filling, and the filling that I want here, suppose okay, takes me let me take some different color. Yeah, and the alignment. In this way you can make this, and after that you can actually just before giving the border, let me just reduce the size of the daily Excel tracker. So yeah, it is done now. Now I can just give a bordering to all this by clicking on all borders. After selecting all this, I will just basically select on all borders. Now all this above portion is made. Now you have to create this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. All of this I have given different font and different colors. Okay, so nothing more to be taught on this part. Food items are created, calories are created, total calories are created. Now, as you can see from the earlier sheet, whenever I am clicking on any cell of the food column, there was an option that was being provided by Excel, and the option contains a drop down menu, and in that drop down menu there were many options of selecting each of the food items that I have eaten throughout the day, like rice, dal, egg curry, fish curry, vegetable curry, luchi, khichuri, pulao, and all that. How to create this drop down menu so that I can select the food item that I have eaten accordingly. Okay, how to select, how to bring this drop down option in Excel so that I can actually select the food item that I have eaten accordingly, and I don't have to rewrite every time. So for for that, I will basically select all these cells at first. All these cells under the food items column I will select, and then I will go to uh, data tab. After going to data tab, I will click on data validation. In the data validation, I will convert this allow to list, and I will give the source. Now in the source you have to provide the names that you want in your cells, the names that you want in the drop down option in each of the cells of the food item. Now what are the names that I want in the drop down option in the each of the cells of our food item? The options that I want is, suppose it is starting from rice, then comma, dal, then uh, fish curry, then pizza, egg curry, then ice cream, and nothing else. Okay, these are the couple of items that I want. Now in this list you can give name of 50 or 100 food items as per your wish, as per your daily diet. But in most of the cases that will take a very huge time, so I am not giving the name of all the food items that I can eat throughout the day. I am just going to show you the format of how to do it. I am not going to show you the entire list of food items, because writing 100 food items will take a multiple hours to be completed. Okay, so I'm just clicking on OK, and yeah. So now in each of the cells of the food items column, you will be able to show a drop down option. And whenever you click on this drop down option, it will give you an option to click on any of the food items that you have eaten throughout the day of Monday. Suppose on the day of Monday, I have eaten rice. Okay. Now, um, whenever I have clicked on rice or dal, or suppose fish curry, whatever I am just clicking on here, you will see that the calories are automatically being adjusted. The calories are automatically being adjusted. Now why is it happening, and how is it happening, how the calories are being automatically adjusted? I will show you from the scratch. For that, let me just remove the formula that I have applied to the calories and show you from the scratch and beginning. So basically, whenever I am going to give anything in the food items column, I want the calories to be shown on the right hand side automatically. I don't have to rewrite the calories. So for that, what can we do? We can actually apply the if function, or more specifically we can say that we can apply the nested if function. What is the difference between a if function and a nested if function? A nested if function contains multiple ifs. Every if function has a condition to be executed. If that condition is executed, it shows a particular value, and if that condition is not executed, it shows a different value. Now in case of nested if function, it has multiple ifs. If it has multiple ifs, that means it has multiple conditions, and if it has multiple conditions, that means there are multiple values that can be shown with the help of the execution of those conditions. Okay, so I am going to apply the nested if function, and within the nested if function, before writing nested if function, I am just deleting the items from here, and let me just remember the items so that I can write rice, dal, fish curry, egg curry, pizza, and ice cream. Okay, within the calories, I am going to use the nested if function. There is a detailed breakdown video of nested if function in our Excel playlist of Ecovision Academy, which you can refer also. So I am starting the if function, and I am writing equal if, and then I have to provide the condition at first. What is the condition? The condition that I am putting here is that in the cell, the first cell of the food item. What is the first cell of the food item? That is B7. If in this cell you find rice, then you have to show if this condition is satisfied. If you find rice in the cell number B7, you have to show what? You have to show 200 calories. Okay, now you will ask me that from where have I found the 200 calories? You can find it in internet or anywhere else. That I have also provided you a list here, that the calories that are contained in different food items, right? Like rice, dal, egg curry, fish curry, vegetable curry, luchi, khichdi, pulao, and all those things. Okay, you can modify it, you can re-edit it, you can do whatever you want with this, and make calories tracker in a very much vibrant and dynamic way possible. I am just showing you a very small version of this particular thing, because to create such calories tracker with a 50 food items or 100 food items will take a good amount of time to be completed. So I'm not taking all that time. If I show you the formatting and the process, you can automatically do that. Okay, now after this I am going to start another if function. So within a if, we are again starting another if function. That's why it is called nested if. And within this if function, what is the condition that I am going to provide? I am going to provide the condition that if the food item, if the first cell of the food item, that is B7, if it contains the value of dal. What is the value of dal? If it contains dal in that particular cell B7, I want to show you the calories of, suppose, what is the calorie of dal? Let me just see. For dal 120, egg curry 200, fish curry 180. Okay, so for dal it is 120. Again, after giving a comma, I am going to start another if function, and within the if function, again I am going to provide that if the cell B7 contains the value of, suppose, egg curry, then I want you to show the calorie value of 200. And again I am going to start another if function. After giving a comma, within the if function I am going to provide the condition that if the cell reference B7 contains, suppose, fish curry, the calorie that I want you to show is 180. Okay, and we have rice, dal, egg curry, fish curry, and ice cream and pizza. So again, for another food item, I am again starting another if function, and then again the cell reference B7, if it contains pizza, I want you to show a particular value of 300, as pizza contains a very good amount of calories. And again I'm going to use another if function, and if the cell reference B7 contains the value of ice cream. Now the ice cream and all this text should be given in the double quotation. Then you have to show a value of 250. Ice cream contains, suppose, 250 calories. And if all these functions, if all these conditions, all these if conditions are not satisfied, we have provided almost 6 if conditions. For rice we have provided a condition, for dal, egg curry, fish curry, pizza and ice cream we have provided total 6 conditions. If all these 6 conditions are not satisfied, if you don't find any food items mentioned above, suppose if you don't find rice, if you can't find dal or egg curry or fish curry or pizza or ice cream in the cells, respective cells, if all these 6 conditions are not satisfied, what you want to show? The Excel should show 0 in that case. So I am giving 0 here. Now how many if functions I have used here? I have used around 6 if functions. So I will have to close. Using 6 if function means I have started 6 if functions. That means I have started 6 opening brackets. So I have to provide 6 closing brackets, so that all the if functions are executed. Now um, after entering it, I will just drag down it so that the formula and the if functions are executed in all the cells in the calories column. Now, whenever I am clicking on the food items, suppose on the day of Monday I have eaten rice and dal and fish curry, you will see that the calories are being put in the cells accordingly. I don't have to rewrite or I don't have to do anything. Suppose on the day of Tuesday I have eaten fish curry, rice and ice cream. Suppose on the day of Wednesday I have eaten dal, rice and egg curry. So you can customize your daily calories tracker with the help of this item. You add different food items like roti and all the other food items that you eat throughout your day. You can add, suppose rice, pizza, dal and ice cream is the food items that we have eaten on the day of Thursday. Okay, in this way you can actually do for Friday as well. Suppose on Friday I have eaten only rice and dal as that was, and just only ice cream. And for the day of Saturday I have eaten fish curry, I have eaten dal and I have eaten rice. For the day of Sunday I have eaten rice, I have eaten ice cream, I have eaten fish curry. Okay, now I want to calculate the total calories as well. So to calculate the total calories you have to use the sum function, but before using the sum function you do one thing. You select all the cells that are coming under the section of Monday. Just look into this. From D7, this is D7 to D13. From D7 to D13, focus on the row number and column number. Column number is D, row number is 7 to 13. From D7 to D13 comes under the day of Monday. You select all the cells from D7 to D13 and click on merge and center. Do the same for Tuesday as well. Select all the cells that are coming under Tuesday and click on merge and center. You do the same thing for Wednesday as well. You do the same thing for the Thursday, for Friday, for Saturday and for Sunday. So if it is done, now I will just going to use the sum function equal sum, and within sum I have to provide the values that are containing the cells of the calories that are containing under the calories column. Okay, just as per the Mondays, just the cells of the uh, just the calories of the Monday. I am just selecting C7 to C13, which are the calories of the day Monday. Okay, and close the bracket, and you will find the total calories. Do the same here also. Select the calories of Tuesday after writing sum function, and you will find the sum. Okay. Now after doing this, we can just again use the sum function for Wednesday to calculate the calories of entire Wednesday. For Thursday also we can do the same by applying sum. Just select all the cells, you will find the sum for Thursday. For the sum of Friday, do the same. For Saturday, you can do the same. And you can do the same for Monday as well. For Sunday, sorry. So I hope it is clear to everyone now. Now I have to uh, make the alignment proper. So I am making it a proper alignment. I am changing the font as suppose Times New Roman, and increasing the font size, and okay. So now we have arrived here. Now if you want to customize the cells in different colors, you can do that also. Suppose I want to give different colors to each of the cells. This color containing this cells, and this cell contains suppose this color. This cell contains the color of this. This cell contains a different color, suppose this cell contains another different color, which can be selected from here or here also. In this way we can give different colors. Okay, that is upon you. That is the customization part is upon you, that how you want to customize all these things. You can do customizations on many aspects. Okay, so I hope it is clear now. And for Monday also we can do a coloring. Let me just do a coloring for Monday, so that it looks more vibrant. And for Tuesday I am going to do a different coloring, and just showing you the detailing that can be done with the help of Excel. Okay, this detailing is very important, because in most of the times what we do, that we miss the detailings, and these detailings can actually help your work to reach at a different level, which you can't actually reach if you don't do, or if you don't follow this type of detailings. For Thursday, let me give a different color of uh, this color doesn't look fine. Let me take a new color. Okay, this also doesn't look fine. I think I should take a different color, like this color. Yeah. For Friday, always try to focus on light colors, because light colors suits well in terms of the different formats that are present. Okay. Here there is a mistake here. I have to. Okay, I'm not considering that mistake. Let me just remove this, delete. And so for Saturday also, I have to put a different color. This is the color. And for Sunday I have put the color of this looks same. Okay, this. So now just look at the detailing of this Excel sheet, the daily calories tracker that I want to show to all of you. Just look at the detailing of this daily calories tracker. And in this calories tracker, suppose on Monday I have eaten another item, that is ice cream. Automatically you will see the entire thing will change. The calories column has changed. 250 is being added, which was earlierly as 0. The total calories also changed into 750. Suppose on Tuesday I have eaten another item, that is um, egg curry. The entire values will change. In this way you can change all this as per your wish. Let me just do last final touch, that is I will make it bold. Now I hope it is quite clear to all of you that how to create this daily calories tracker in Excel with the help of uh, some raw inputs. Okay, thank you. To be connected with EcoVision Academy, you have to just follow our channel, connect to our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, our LinkedIn profile, and you can also connect to our courses. Thank you.